Hey everyone, and welcome to Get Early. Today, we're going to walk through Atlas, your central space for visualizing and organizing data from across your workspace. Whether you're tracking project progress, team updates, or important stats, Atlas brings everything together in one view. Let's get started. To open Atlas, just head over to the left-hand menu and click on Atlas. Inside the Atlas Hub, you'll see a few tabs at the top. All shows you every atlas you have access to. My Atlas includes the ones you've created. Public are visible to everyone in your workspace. Shared with me shows what others have shared with you. And Favorites holds the ones you've marked for quick access. Let's create a new atlas. Click the Create button, give your atlas a name, and choose if it's public or private. We'll keep this one private for now, but you can share it later anytime. Now that your atlas is ready, you'll see the title, who created it, and the creation and last updated dates at the top. Below that, there's a section for collection filters, but we'll talk about that in a bit. Let's build out your atlas by adding widgets. First, make sure edit mode is turned on, and then click Add Widget. Widgets let you show different types of data. The number chart, for example, is great when you need to display a specific value. You can give it a name, pick a color, and select how that number is calculated. Want to pull that number from a module blueprint, like a risk register? Just select Blueprint. Choose your blueprint, and then the column you want. If you need project-level information, such as how many active projects you have access to, select Project Attribute instead of Blueprints, and choose the relevant data. These widgets allow you to filter in more detail, for example, by how many items you're assigned to or how many projects are signed off. We'll explore filters shortly. For visualizing things, try a pie chart, bar chart, or stacked bar chart. These all work in similar ways, but present your data in different formats. The Items Table widget displays all items from the selected blueprint in a list view. For example, if you're using a tasks blueprint across 3 projects, and each project has 5 tasks, the widget will show all 15 tasks in one list. The Items Table widget can also display projects along with their project attributes. Just toggle to Project Attributes instead of Blueprints. You can customize your table layout by clicking the Options button, then selecting Edit to rearrange or hide fields. To update items or project attributes, simply click on the specific item or project and make your changes. If your data includes a duration field, you can use the Calendar widget. Just pick the date field you want to display, and you'll see items mapped across the calendar. You can even open them directly from there. Let's check out the resource-specific widgets. Resource Scoreboard and a Resource Bar Chart. These help track data by team or person. Just name the widget and choose which blueprint you want to pull resource data from. The Shortcuts widget is a lifesaver. Use it to drop quick links to any item, project or page, like bookmarks you can access right from your atlas. Key messages and status reports help you share project updates. When you add them to a project, they automatically appear in Atlas. Add them in multiple projects and you'll see all those updates together in Atlas. Need to jot something down? Use the Text widget. It's perfect for notes, labels, or extra context. stay on top of tasks with the to-do list widget. Add your to-dos right here and check them off as you complete them. Want to rename a widget? Easy. Just click on the title and type in a new one. Most widgets come with filter options too. This helps you narrow down what's being shown so you only see the most relevant data. For example, if you want to filter a widget to show items assigned to a specific user, click the filter icon, choose a user field, and then select the desired user from the list. To save time, you can duplicate widgets. Simply click the Options menu and select Duplicate. If you want to see what items make up this number or graph, just click the Expand button to drill down and view the items. Ready to share your atlas? Click the Share button. Choose who can access it and set their permissions to View Only or Editor. This way, you can collaborate without making it fully public. To export your atlas, click on Export to Docs. Choose the widgets you want included and your selected data will be exported into a Word document, perfect for sharing or reporting. Now let's talk about collections. Collections are a smart way to group your projects. A single project can even belong to multiple collections. To create a new collection or manage existing ones, go to Collection Management. Here, you'll see all of your team's collections. To create a new collection, select New Collection, give it a name and description, then select Projects. Quick note, you can only view and select projects you have access to. To update an existing collection, simply select the collection and modify the project selection as needed. Within Collection Management, you can search for collections, duplicate a collection, and read its description if one has been added. So how do collections help in Atlas? You can filter all your widgets using the Global Atlas filter. Click on All Projects, the default selection, then choose your desired collection from the left panel. Once selected, all widget data will update to show information from only those projects. Need a more focused view? Add additional filters to the collection selection. Your settings stay in place until you change them, keeping everything consistent. Using the Global Atlas filter, you can filter by project attributes. Click on Filter Attributes, then select the attributes you want. For example, projects that are red and have a status of in progress. Click Done when ready. All widget data will then update to show information from only those matching project attributes. Finally, in Atlas, you can collaborate with your team by leaving comments and attaching files directly in the comment section. And that's it. Now you know how to use Atlas and collections in Get Early. Build your dashboards, organise your data, and bring your work together in one place. Thanks for watching.